Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Exploring mods can really transform your Roblox experience, adding all sorts of exciting features and visual changes. It's really important to know that while mods are fun, they do come with some risks, like potentially affecting your game or even your account security. Always stick to highly recommended and well-known sources to keep your PC and Roblox accounts safe and sound. We'll show you how to identify reliable options. Before diving into mod installation, take a few moments to prepare your PC properly. First, make sure your operating system has all the latest updates installed for optimal performance and security. Next, double-check that your Roblox game client is running smoothly and without any hitches. It is also wise to ensure your antivirus software is active and fully updated, as this provides a crucial layer of protection against potential threats. Being prepared makes the whole process much smoother. Finding safe and reliable mods is perhaps the most critical step in this entire process. Focus your search on well-established modding communities and forums that have a long history of safe content. Always take time to read through user reviews and verify the mod's popularity and download frequency. This helps identify trusted options. If a mod's installation process requires you to disable vital security software or asks for sensitive personal details, it's best to avoid it entirely. Your security is paramount. Once you have selected a safe mod, the installation process typically involves a few straightforward steps. First, download the mod files directly from your trusted source, ensuring you choose the correct version. Next, it is absolutely essential to follow the mod creator's specific instructions, as each mod can have a unique setup. Often, this means copying and pasting files into a designated folder within your main Roblox installation directory. Finally, restart your Roblox game client completely to ensure all the changes are properly loaded and activated. This usually takes just a few moments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.